Hi, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to lock your Facebook profile but you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Facebook application. Once you open your application, you need to tap on your profile icon to access to the menu. From here, scroll a bit where you will find Settings and Privacy. You need to tap on that. From here, you need to tap on Settings. So once you tap on Settings, scroll a bit where you will find Audience and Visibility, and just under that you will find the profile locking option. So from here you can read all these instructions and then lock your profile. Just tap on that. Once you tap, as you can see, you locked your profile. From now on, only friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So if somebody is not in your friend list and they visit your profile, they can only see just a few things, but they cannot see your photos, posts and stories on your profile. Just tap on OK, and that is it. This is how you can lock your profile. So as you can see, if I tap on See Your Profile, so this will actually be a public profile that the people can see it. When they visit it, they will not be able to see the stories, photos, or your friend list on Facebook. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.